Hello, this is Larry Yeager from Yeager Cycle, and I was going to go over a couple features of the new Pan America. One is that this motorcycle is equipped with a side stand, or a jiffy stand is how Harley-Davidson refers to them, and also a center stand, which is right here. And basically that is to stand the motorcycle upright, so maintenance, chain maintenance, tire maintenance, cleaning is a little easier to do. And actually storage in your garage, it's a little bit better. It isn't leaning over and taking up quite as much room. But for some people that don't know how to put them on a center stand, it's a little tricky to do, okay? So there is a technique to it. If you know how to do it, it really works well. And if you get in the habit of using the center stand, you'll like it. It's a really good tool. So what I suggest is, one, put your side stand up before you put it on the center stand. And I'll show you in just a second why you want to do that on this particular bike, okay? Another thing you want to do, this is how I do it, is I put that center stand down and I wiggle the bike back and forth to where I know that both feet of that center stand are on the ground. It's not at an angle on one foot. That makes it harder to do. So I bring it over, I put both feet on the ground for the center stand. I'm simply going to stand on that center stand. I'm going to stand straight up on it. And when I stand on it, I'm going to pull with this handrail, and I'm going to pull that straight up. So I'm going to stand and pull, and it goes right up on the center stand, just like that. It's really easy if you do it in that procedure. If you don't, it's a battle. It's a lot of work. Now, to get it off the center stand, and we're on a slick tile floor here, which makes it even worse, what I always do is I grab it by the handlebars, and I grab it right there by the handrail, grab it by the handlebars, I put my foot in front of the center stand and give it a good push, and it falls right off, just like that, okay? So, if you remember, I mentioned about putting the side stand up before you put it on the center stand. Let me show you why. So, if we put that side stand down, we're going to put it up on the center stand. Again, we're going to make sure that both feet are on the ground firmly. I'm going to stand on the center stand with my foot and pull with my hand. It's going to rock right up. No problem, just like that. Okay, now the center stand will not go up. It hits the center stand, so the side stand will not come up. So where this is a little bit of an issue is when you push it off the center stand, the bike dives. So when it dives, it wants to dive up, if you're not careful, up on that side stand, and it's a little bit tricky to handle. So if you're aware of it, it's not a real big deal. But if you're not aware of that, it's kind of an issue. So again, I'm going to put my foot in front of the center stand. I'm going to push it forward, and see it fell down on it. But I was cautious of it, and I was able to control it. So if you just put that dude up before you put it on the center stand, and you come up just like that, it's real easy. And then coming off just like that. Very simple. Get used to using the center stand. For most Harley owners, they're not used to that. It's not something we're used to having, but it is a really handy piece to have. So there you go. Hope it works good for you.